What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you an advantage on the market. So if you hadn't already seen, we finally hit 2,000 subscribers, you guys. And so, you know, it's really a good feeling. And so I'm going to have to step up on my part. I'm going to upgrade my camera, my backdrop, so you guys can see my beautiful face a lot better and take things, you know, a little bit more professionally. Also, we're starting a new challenge, you guys. I'm going to be trading here throughout the week live. After I post my daily content, I'll be going live day trading with $2,000 and trying to turn that into $10,000. So basically, what we have is a $2,000 to $10,000 penny stock challenge. Okay, so excuse me. So yes, I'm using $2,000 to try to turn that into 10 for you guys. So that way, you guys can see me trade live every morning. I know you guys get to see me break down charts and everything, but so I'm sorry, I'm a little sick still, trying to get over the cough. But if you guys want to stay tuned for that, please hit the like and subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified when I go live. So other than that, I just wanted to make this video really quickly, you guys. So other than that, you guys have a beautiful day and, of course, happy trading. All right, what is going on, you guys? So this is the first episode of the $2,000 to $10,000 penny stock challenge. I started this morning at 9:30. We're down about, I would say about $30 so far. I'm only going to try to risk only $50 per day. You guys got to understand, we will have red days throughout the week, but we minimize that for potential profits, okay? So let me go ahead and show you guys what trades I'm in currently and where I have my stop loss set. So this morning, I did two videos on Naked and ZOM. So for Naked, I have about $500 in. Below this red line, if we drop below that, we'll be able to, we'll get tagged out, and we'll wait for a better entry, that being back down here. On the video, I said that we should wait until we pull back all the way down to this 57% or 57 cent level. That's our major support. But looking on the 1 hour, we're starting to try to create this reversal back up. But we'll see if we'll dip below that. So if we drop below this red line, I'll get tagged out and maybe lose like $30. And then same thing for ZOM. ZOM, I have my stop loss underneath this red candle, this red line right here, which is a minor resistance line or a support line. So, and also on my video, I said that we should wait till we pull back at least to this 93 cent area for the safest entry. But I'm only doing a scalp trade right now, so I'm not really too worried about that. I'm just trying to catch a small bounce before we do pull back down to here. So we'll see ultimately what happens, you guys. And if you guys enjoy this content, like me going live throughout the week, please hit that like and subscribe button. It'll allow me and let me know that you guys actually enjoy watching people trade live or myself trade live. Like I said, I do create daily content on me breaking down charts every morning. But a lot of people actually just want to see me trade live also, so I'm going to start getting into that. This specific video isn't live because I couldn't really figure out excuse me, how to stream on YouTube while recording me on my platform, but I'll figure that out soon enough. So just for today, it'll be pre-recorded until I can figure that out. So like I said, I'm currently down. I'll be more precise. I'm up almost $20 on ZOM as of right now, but like I said, I've already traded with 1,000 this morning at 9:30. But I got tagged out on both those orders and ultimately lost. Let me get to this real quick. Hold on one second. So we're down almost $50 for the morning, but that's really our maximum loss is $50. So if I get tagged out of both of these, it'll probably be around $60, which, you know, isn't too bad. I usually my risk management is usually $100 loss for the day, and my profit I try to shoot for $200 to $300. So you always want at least 3 or 2 to what you're risking. So that way, if you do lose that amount, you have the next days to actually just win one trade and make that back on top of some profit. So yes, like I'm saying, I'm not afraid to show you guys that I make losses. We all make losses. We all make mistakes, you guys. It's all part of the game. Now, it's how much you're willing to risk, okay? How much you're willing to risk on each trade towards your first target, okay? So I don't care if you're risking $1,000, your target should then be $2,000 or $3,000. Okay, that goes for if you're only trading with $1,000, you should only be risking between $50 to $100, and then shooting for $100 to $200 per trade. And that's specifically for penny stocks. If you are obviously buying something at a higher share rate, that's going to fluctuate and differentiate. So it's also just depending on exactly on how you trade too. So as of right now, these are both trading under the trend line, and it's showing it's a downtrend. But I figured that we had this minor support right here that after I got in right here, I figured we would bounce at least up to our previous highest point, that being at the $1.10, before we fully pull back down to our major support line. So I was trying to get this scalp trade in to kind of get this ball rolling. And then on naked, obviously, we're starting to build a support right here. It doesn't mean that we still can't pull back down, because we are still in this downtrend, you guys. The volume, however, 22 million is not bad. RSI looks like we're starting to become a little oversold. However, on ZOM is not so much the case, even though on the RSI it's starting to look like we're trying to reverse here. The volume on here is 17 million. Not bad, you guys. I was waiting for SNDL to pull down to the 83 cent area. So far we're getting there. We're getting close. I actually wanted to throw a certain amount on there at the 88, but I might trade this one in a couple days once we can pull back down to this 83 area. If we do, we could definitely bounce from this area and go higher. So yeah, I originally had about like 15 to 20,000 in this specific brokerage, but I moved that all out to a different brokerage, so I only left about 3,000 on here. But like I said, I'm only using 2,000 to try to turn that into 10,000, only specifically on penny stocks. That extra 1,000 I'm just keeping just so I can trade the following day on my own and just kind of try to build that one up. And then obviously I have my separate brokerage, which I'll be trading off of live and all that good stuff. So really the main goal is that $2,000 to $10,000 challenge that I'm doing. So ultimately it may take some time, but it'd be really cool for you guys to watch how you can take such a small amount with knowledge and really following your trading plan, that you can really hit these goals. So they may not happen overnight, it may not happen in a week or two, but you can definitely get there. As long as you're practicing risk management and all this good stuff, you guys, it can definitely happen. Okay, so let's go to the trades that I'm back on right now. ZOM, I'm only up $3 as of right now. It's fluctuating between $20 and $3, so it's trying to fight this area of support. So hopefully we can bounce off that and continue this uptrend throughout the day. I am gonna have to close the order around like 2 o'clock if we don't hit our target. So wherever we're at by then I'll close my order. And on the following morning, I'll even show you guys the profit or loss that I made. Like I said, I'm not scared to show you guys that I do lose trades sometimes. Okay, I'm not perfect. Sometimes we do make mistakes, but we just try to risk that or minimize that the most. Okay, so yeah, really right now on both of these we're just kind of fluctuating. They're both down 4% for the morning. As for naked, I really do believe that it's trying to find a support here right now, but like I said, more than likely we'll pull back down to this major support line, which I posted in my video. I'll always give you guys the safest entries. I'm never going to give you guys an aggressive entry on the videos that I post. I don't see why I would do that. A lot of times if I followed the same trading plan and only took the safest trades, I'd probably end up coming with more profit. But sometimes I like to take aggressive trades. It's nothing wrong with that, as long as you, like I said, you have your risk management set. You already know where your target's going to be, your entry, all that good stuff. So for naked, I think my target was going to be at the 68 cent or close to the 71 cent area. We can definitely hit that today, but probably not with it already being 11 o'clock. We'll probably end up coming back up to the 67 area. So like right now on ZOM, I'm still up. Like I said, it's fluctuating between $3 to $20. I'm at 11 right now. So if we can push this back up at least to the $1.10 or the $1.17 area, I'll close this order and only take a little bit of a profit for today. So we'll see what ends up happening. A lot of this video or this pre-recording I'm gonna cut so I can make it, you know, a lot shorter than it's gonna be, because more than likely this video is gonna be over an hour long. So, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to sit here and watch me for an hour and a half. So I'll end up breaking that down. But you guys, I'm really excited. I'm really excited to start this journey with you guys and really grow Wall Street Traders. You know, I see comments sometimes, a lot of people hating on the quality of my camera and my backdrop and all that stuff. Well, they don't know that, like, I really just started doing this just for fun. I never really thought I would go out and buy, you know, $1,000 camera or a $500 backdrop. You know, I could do it. I could definitely do it, but I just never thought that I would ever reach 2,000 subscribers. So, you know, I really want to take this seriously and, you know, show you guys that we all can come as a community and trade together. And that's all I want to do, is just build, you know, a community where everybody can come together, discuss stocks, break down stocks, you know, and just have a good time. So, and that's what we're about, you guys. And also we're about risk management. I don't like seeing how I get emails all the time that you guys are down $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 on a trade. That's insane. Like, you should not be risking that at all on any trade, you guys. It doesn't matter. Risk management is key. That's the make it or break it in this game, you guys. That's why almost 95 or 90% of people in the stock market end up losing money in the long run. However, you can break that, you know, with knowledge and, you know, actually going and, you know, trying to study and learn how to trade properly. But when it really comes down to is this risk management, you guys, like, that's really where it's at. So right now I'm up almost $21, almost 3% for ZOM. Right now on Naked I'm down $8. Excuse me. But it looks like we're starting to build this support right here. Hopefully we can start pushing back up and see how high we can get. If you guys didn't know and watch my previous videos, or if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I burp a lot. And I apologize, I just can't help it. It just happens. Especially when I'm talking a lot. It'd be really cool if I could set up this live stream so I could be talking with you guys right now. But I couldn't figure it out. So I'll figure it out after I get done trading today. I'll sit down and figure out how to set up this live stream and you know, get a better high quality camera. Yeah. So just blessed to be here, you guys. I'm just happy to be here. So also, you know, what comes into the market a lot, and a lot of people don't really think about it, is your emotions play a huge part in trading, you guys. If you get onto the market or whatever and it's 9:29, the market's about to open and your heart is pounding and you're super like intense, getting ready to find the best entry and buy setup, that's cool and all, but have yourself under control. You know, be very calm, collect. The moment you start getting that adrenaline is when you're going to throw your trading plan right out the window and you're just going to end up, you know, losing in the long run. So stay calm and collect. Really figure out your entries and your targets, you guys. This will help you in the long run. So never get too excited, okay? It's a really important thing to know. You know, for the volume that's on both of these, 23 million on Naked and ZOM, we're at 18 million. Moving pretty slow. But so far so good, you guys. What I really want to see is this to come up and retest this 129 level. And if we can create a breakout above that, it's going to be looking good, you guys. We see how Dogecoin. I really want to get into Dogecoin, but like I said, I want to wait for it to pull back down to like the 28 or 27 cent area. If we can get down to that like level, that'd be a great entry for there. I would have my stop loss on the opposite side, probably at the 25 cent area under this support line, because you know, as much as this is a meme stock and all that, and Tesla's having fun with it, or I'm sorry, Elon Musk is having fun with it, You know, it's definitely possible that this could definitely reach over $1. Who am I to say that it can't? You know what I mean? I mean, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin years ago, everybody thought it was a joke, so it's always possible, you guys. I've seen literally when I found Neo a couple years back, they were trading at $3, you guys, and I remember being so hyped, like literally so hyped about Neo at $3, but I ended up telling myself, hey, maybe I should wait until they should start picking up. Dude, by the time I could do that, they were already trading at like $30 or, you know, crazy numbers. So there's a couple stocks that I really missed out on potential of huge profit, you guys. But it happens, you know, there's always opportunities in the market. Wow, we're just really yellow on the overall market today, you guys. But right now, I'm green on both stocks as of right now. I don't know if you can see that. It's not gonna focus, but I'm up $24 on ZOM and 30 cents on Naked. So my goal for both, if I could hit $200 today, at least $100 on both, I'll be happy with that. That would cover the $50 that I lost, and then we would have a $150 profit for the morning. So if I could do that, that'd be a great start for our $10,000 challenge. You know what I'm saying? But if we do lose, it's okay. It's, you know, it's part of the process. I want you guys to be able to see and experience also with me these times that I do fail. You know, you come out of it with a positive attitude. You learn from your mistake and you keep moving forward, you guys. And you just can be happy, you know. Money is just money at the end of the day. Alright, so we're looking good so far for ZOM. If we can break above the $1.10 area, this huge resistance that we have, if we can break above that and come back down and retest that, I'll definitely going to be holding this for the rest of the day. But as of right now, we are up almost $30 for ZOM, and we're almost up $5 for Naked. So we're looking good so far, you guys. Oh, and like I said, I'm going to be cutting bits and pieces out of this video because I don't want it to be super long. I know a lot of you guys are not going to want to sit here and watch for like an hour and a half, but I'm sure when I'm live, you know, I'll be able to communicate with you guys, and y'all can invite all your Facebook friends and all your other relatives, your mom, your dad. Get your grandma in the chat room. Oh, I got to be careful. I forgot I can't cuss on YouTube. They'll monetize me, basically take away my paycheck. I really don't rely on YouTube paychecks, you guys, at all. I actually just got monetized, and really for like every day that I record like 7 videos of getting like, I don't know, 2,000 or 3,000 views, I'll get like 20-30 bucks. But it adds up, you know, at the end of the month, it's a couple $100. And I want to be able to do fun stuff with that, you guys. If I can really get my subscribers up, man, I really want to be able to give away PS5s and, you know, Xbox Ones or actual cash, you guys. I would love to do that. That's like my dream, and basically it'd be paying for itself, and it's a win-win, you guys. I get to make people happy while you guys get to watch me trade and stuff. So I guess I do ramble a lot even by myself, so that's a good thing, I guess. But yeah, right now, probably here in the next couple weeks, I'll go upgrade my camera. I'll get a nice, beautiful backdrop. That way you guys can be able to see me better and my face. Get a bunch of lighting in here and stuff. I may even get an office. Who knows? Only time can tell. But as of right now, I'm just chilling and vibing. I don't know why people gotta hate sometimes. It's not that I'm broke. I just never went and got a $700 camera or $1,000 camera or went and bought a backdrop, you know. It just never really came to mind. I really figured that people would want to watch the charts more than they do my face, so. But yeah, overall, ZOM's looking good, you guys. Naked, on the other hand, fluctuating, fighting, but we're getting there. These might end up being a swing trade. As much as I don't want to, I might end up swing trading these for, until... What's today? Wednesday? Today's Wednesday, or today's Thursday. Oh, so I'm gonna have to close my profits then for today. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Either way, if we do reverse right here, that'd be good. More than likely, like I said, we'll probably be pulling back down to the 57-cent area. That's more than likely where we'll hit. So that's why if I do lose today, hey, it's okay. Try again the following days when my funds have settled. I'll probably end up trading in my other brokerage while this one settles, because I want to keep it as real as possible. So, you know, just as you guys, if you were trading with $2,000 or $1,000, you're going to have to wait. You know, if you trade that day with the full amount that you have, you're going to have to wait for your funds to settle. And then basically, you won't be able to trade the next day because your funds have to settle. So it'll be the following day. So you guys, I probably won't be posting until Monday. But by then, I'll figure out how to do the live and everything and all that good stuff. So, yeah, honestly, if I can get to $50 on both today and just call it a $50 profit, I'd be okay with that. Slowly but surely, you guys. Sundial is still at 90 cents. Just trying to find a support. I figured that we would bounce from there, but I wasn't 100% sure. It's going to be either between that, the 90-cent area, or back down here at the 83-cent area. I wanted to wait for the safest entry for Sundial, and that's going to be back at the 83-cent. And I love Sundial. Don't get me wrong, you guys. I love Sundial. I truly believe that Sundial will explode within this year of hitting numbers that you guys couldn't even fathom. Maybe like 7 or 1650. But either way, I believe in the long run, Sundial will explode. I mean, if you really look around and you see all these countries and states legalizing, I can't even say the specific word because I'll get monetized for that. But you guys know what I'm talking about. So that's always good for Sundial. Yeah, I feel like it's going to be a long day for these two. They're kind of slow moving. Either way, I'll probably do an update for both. But what I'll probably end up doing is if I hit $50 on Zom, I'll probably close out on that. And then the same thing for Naked if we can get to those levels today. But yeah, I'm actually going to pause this and then I'll update it once we can actually get moving. Even if I lose today, I'll end up posting this so you guys can see that, okay? Alright guys, it's 3:33 p.m. and so I have all positions closed. It was getting too close to the market closing, so I decided just to cancel all the trades that I was in. So before I left, we were actually down in the reds. We were going to be red for today, but so when I closed, we were actually a profit of $2. So either way, I was gonna close for a red today either way, but we made back what we lost and then a $2 profit on top of that. So, and we do make mistakes, you guys. It's completely normal. I should have waited for the complete pullback, like I said in my previous videos that I posted this morning. But I will see you guys Monday morning. I will post the daily chart breakdown, and then I will be trading live after that. It'll be actually live on YouTube, not a pre-recording like this one. So if you guys really like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Put some comments down below on what I should do and what should I add. But after this, I'm going to show you guys the orders that I closed so you guys know that I actually closed these orders. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading, and see you Monday.